Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Hope you are doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare vegetable yam. In Igbo, we call it jiapuponri. Guys, this delicacy is prepared with lots of vegetables. When I mean lots of vegetables and also other local ingredients. Without wasting much of your time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit notification bell to be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video, and also share my video among your family and friends so that they too can learn something new as well. Okay, now let's go into the cooking action.
To make this recipe, you will need 1 tuber of yam, pumpkin leaves also known as ugu, African spinach also known as green vegetables, ukpaka or ugba, grounded black pepper, crayfish powder, salt, red palm oil, seasoning cubes and onions. The full ingredient list will be listed in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out there, okay? Let's get right into the cooking action. The first thing you are going to do is to peel off the back of the yam with a kitchen knife. After peeling the yam, put them in a bowl, add some water and wash them thoroughly to ensure they are clean. Then place them on a chopping board and cut them into small sizes. Put the yam pieces in a pot. Add enough water to cover the entire surface of the yam pieces. Place the pot on the heat. Add some salt to it. Cover the pot and cook till they are tender. Then move to the vegetables. Place the pumpkin leaves in a bowl. Add some salt and some water to cover the entire surface of the pumpkin leaves. Wash them thoroughly to remove all the dirt of them. Guys, you have to wash these vegetables because some of them contain sand and dirt. So you have to soak them in water. Then wash them one by one to remove all the dirt on them. Arrange and place them on a chopping board to ensure they are nicely chopped to your desired sizes. Repeat the washing and chopping process for the African spinach. Place them in a plate and set them aside. When the yams are tender,
Hey guys, hope you are enjoying this video. If you are, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's continue with our cooking action.
when the yams are tender, place a sieve in a bowl and transfer the boiled yam to a sieve to help you drain the yams. Guys, you can now cut this yam into smaller sizes. If they are big, place them in a plate and set them aside also. At this point, the heat should not be on. I will let you know when you will place the pot on heat. Then in a pot, add the chopped African spinach, followed by the chopped pumpkin leaves. Add the grounded black pepper, crayfish powder, ukpaka, the chopped onions, salt and some seasoning cubes. Now you can place the pot on heat. Transfer the boiled yam pieces to the pot and add the red palm oil. Mix everything to combine to make sure they marry each other. Cover the pot and allow it to heat up for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give everything another stir, serve in a plate and enjoy. Guys, your delicious vegetable yam is ready. It is ready.
Now I have shown you how to make this vegetable yam. Like I said before, it is called jiapuponri in Igbo. I hope you can make it for your family and your friends as well, so that they too can have the taste of this recipe. Guys, this taste of this recipe is so yummy, delicious and tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, I will see you in another cooking series that I'm going to show you. Until then, stay safe. Don't forget to check out my other videos on how I prepared other Nigerian delicacy. See you guys next time. Bye bye.